Welcome back to another episode of GAD Talks. Today we are going to be taking a first look and a basic review of the N10 fitness tracker heart rate monitor smartwatch. This smartwatch comes in three variations in terms of its watch band and watch case. This is the black version. It also comes with a silver and a gold version of the watch. Color, of course, not material. And this watch can go for anywhere between mid-$40s to mid-$50, depending on the website and seller that you choose to get it from. I will have my affiliate link in the video description below, so if you guys do want to purchase this watch after this video, you guys can use my affiliate link and I will earn a commission at no extra cost to you. And before we begin today, make sure you guys do give this video a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel, as I'll be coming out with new weekly videos on the latest gadgets, electronics, and smartwatches. And please do drop me a comment in the video description below if you guys do want to see any gadgets, and I will try to make a review for you guys. So thank you very much for your support. Now let's begin. This watch comes with a kind of a Oxford wristband, which it's kind of different, in some sense, because I'm very used to either the metallic watch bands or the silicone watch bands. So this kind of distinguishes itself by putting its watch band in a different material. Also, the watch case, it's pretty thick. It does come with a USB charge port, which is kind of obsolete in my opinion. Most of the smartwatches have already evolved into the magnetic charging cables, so you don't really have to bother with unplugging or just taking out the USB port and plugging the USB cable inside. To me, that's kind of a hassle. But again, this watch has been out for about 2-3 years, to my knowledge. So it's not the newest out there, but it does look pretty cool. Now let's see what kind of features this watch offers for your money. This watch does come with a full touchscreen, so you can browse by just moving along the touchscreen here. It does not seem like it's very the interface is not very sensitive. At least I don't like the skin. Let's see how many watch faces that we have on this watch. Usually, to explore watch faces, you would want to long press on the default watch face, but it does not seem like that is the case here. Let's see how else we can explore this watch face. So this skin, you could change it, I'm sure, but it just looks very confusing because all the colors are the same. I want the app colors to be kind of different so it can more easily distinguish between the apps. But with it being the same color, is actually more confusing to actually explore it. Let's see. So it's not immediately clear where to actually change the watch face. So we're going to forget about that for now. We're going to see some of the capabilities on this watch. First, we're going to put it on and show you how this watch looks. So the watch band here, it's actually pretty rough when you try to put it on. After you have it on, it does look pretty cool. It looks like an outdoor watch with gesture control, which is, not very surprising. A lot of watches do. Actually, this one, yes, it's just not too sensitive. Now, let's check how to explore some of these options. You're going to have your thermometer. This is, it looks like a altitude meter, which I would probably not use. But if you're outdoors, I'm sure that would be some interesting knowledge. Sunday reminder, okay. PA. This seems like something for the outdoors. Now, okay, that's your language, so you have quite a bit of language options here. So that's good. This is your calendar, I believe. Yep, set time, date, format. This should be your camera, remote camera for that's, seems to be compatible with both Android and iPhones. Now, let's see. This should be your stopwatch or alarm. This should be your app installation. Let's see what this is. That should be to set your time. Your heart rate monitor. Some of these apps have better interfaces than others, including this one. I get to just press play or stop to get a BPM reading. 88 seems... it's a little bit out of the range I was expecting because I'm just standing up. I'm not really exercising or anything. I'm someone in my 30s, no health issues. I don't think my BPM should be that high. So you probably do want to double check on some of these readings that's given by your fitness tracker. What's this? Light bulb. Okay, LCD backlight. Let's see, you also have your contacts, I think. Yeah, you have your phone book. Calculator, very standard stuff. Now you're gonna have your other options. It looks like your your sleep monitor. Different sport modes. What's this? Lightning. Power save. Okay. That's to save power on your watch as well. What's the shield? Anti-loss. Okay. What's this? Your settings. Okay, your analog watch. Let me see. It looks like this could actually change the watch face of your watch here. By going to here, your watch faces. It looks like there's only two watch faces, your analog and your digital. Now that changes the watch faces on your watch. Okay. So you could change the watch faces on your watch. Compass calibration. This is perform this action. So I guess it wants me to draw out this pattern here. Let's see. It looks like it wants me to do this sideways 8 movement. Or does it want me to draw it? That's something to be figured out with more time. But that should be interesting, especially when you're outdoors. It's nice to know that you can actually get some kind of a compass reading. Now I believe we have gone through most of the functions on this watch. It seems like a very basic watch with some extra features for its price. I believe this is a watch that has some value, especially if you can get it for about $40 or just mid $40. Definitely not enough to buy an Android watch. If you can buy an Android watch for about the same price, I would take an Android watch over this. But for about $40 something, this is not a bad watch to have. It's got nice looks. It does not feel cheap. But the only drawback I don't like is its outdated USB port charge plug. But other than that, I think this is a pretty nice watch. So that's my opinion. If you guys do want to purchase this watch after this video, you guys can use my affiliate link in the video description below, and I can actually earn a commission at no extra cost to you. Please do support this channel by giving me a thumbs up and subscribe, and let me know if you guys wanted me to do any reviews on any other products that you guys are interested in, or gadgets or smartwatches. And I'll see you guys next time.